welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nastasia. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram because you guys get a sneak peek of everything on there. For today's video, I'm just sharing with you guys more of my Amazon home favorites. I will have the links to everything in the description box down below. Without further ado, we can just jump right into it. All right, so the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys is a new favorite that you can actually see right now, and that is just this tree behind me. Now, I have mostly all real trees in my home, but in my bedroom, it doesn't get that much natural light unless I open everything up, and for privacy reasons, I don't like to keep all the windows open, so I needed something that was faux. So I went on the lookout on Amazon and I found this one, which is just amazing. You guys know I have that other faux birds of paradise that I absolutely love, but this is probably my new favorite faux tree on Amazon. Again, so good, such good quality. It just looks so real. And you guys know I love dragon trees, and that is what it is. It's a faux dragon tree. Perfect if you don't have natural light, or if you have pets, or if you just don't want to take care of a real plant. Carefree and easy. And again, I just highly recommend it. It's like one of my newest home finds on Amazon that I absolutely have been loving. All right, the next thing is kind of more of an essential that you need, and that is just a tub shroom. If you guys don't have one of these, it's like my favorite invention ever. Basically, you put these in your bathtub to catch all the hair whenever you're like washing your hair. They are perfect. Ever since I started using them, I've never once clogged the drain, and they actually have this one that is the Ultra. So I got this one also because it comes with a tub stopper. I realized that my new bathtub didn't have a tub stopper, so I got this combo, and then I realized how much better this tub shroom is than the last one. Super simple, you just put it in the bathtub drain, catches all the hair. Definitely a must-have for anyone's bathroom. That's why I definitely wanted to share it. It's a really great option, and I love the combo with the bath stopper. Again, they're like super like sleek and minimal, so they look really good in the bathroom as well. All right, next is this travel jewelry box. Now I actually got this for myself. I'm like super minimal when it comes to jewelry. I'm not like into anything super fancy. I have very few jewelry pieces, nothing too high end either. I don't really like super fancy stuff, and I keep my collection very small. So when I saw this, I was like, wow, this is perfect. It's meant for traveling, but for me, it's perfect just to have for the few minimal pieces that I own. It's perfect. It has compartments for earrings, necklaces, rings. Really nice quality, super small. You can fit it just about anywhere, and it is a great option if you do actually travel with your jewelry. It would make a good option for you as well. Definitely a piece that I wanted to share because it is really helped me in the organizing front. I didn't know they made something so small that I would be able to use for my stuff. Next, I picked up another candle essential. If you're like me and you love candles, you definitely need one of these sets. If you don't already own one, you definitely need them. But I went ahead and picked up a matte black set. I was using a silver set before. Just wanted something a little bit different, and I definitely needed an extra because sometimes I lose these little things. But basically, it comes in a set of 3. Comes with your candle wick trimmer and snuffer, and these are just perfect. When you get your candles and they're brand new, you're actually supposed to trim the wick at the top before you start burning them. That is how you properly like burn the candle. And then whenever there's that little wax buildup on the tip of the wick, you're just supposed to cut it off before you start burning it all the time. And then to turn it off, or to get the flame to go out, the snuffer is perfect. You don't want to like blow on it and like spray the wax everywhere. This is simple. You just put it over the candle and the candle goes out. So again, I picked up this matte black set, and it's like perfect. It matches in with all of my new decor. I picked up another coffee table book because I actually got a really nice bookshelf that's actually gonna go behind me, and I needed to make sure I had enough things to style it. One of the things that I was lacking a little bit of were coffee table books and like books to put on it. So I went ahead and picked up this one. It's the Abode Simple Living book. Again, it's one of my favorite coffee table books. I love the way it looks without the cover. So when you see it on Amazon, it shows you what it looks like with the cover because it is a hardcover book. You can actually remove the cover and it becomes this like super simple, minimal, really nice looking book. It's also a really great read as well. It has some nice tips in there about living with less. So a good book to have, and it looks really nice. So I picked that one up. All right, and then next I got this set of espresso cups. These are so cool. I was just like, okay, I need another espresso cup because I only had one left for some reason. My set of 2 has now become a set of 1. So I needed a new set, and I came across these and I thought they were so cool. Like, they just look amazing. So I love the like double wall insulation on them. It keeps you from like burning your fingers, of course, but then the way that the espresso goes into like that point, like cone shape, it just looks super cool. I couldn't help but pick them up, especially because I think that they're really great quality and they just look a little bit better than what I had. I just had like a simple espresso cup. So if you're in the market for some really cool espresso cups, definitely check those out. And then the last thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is this OxiClean White Revive. I don't know why I didn't hear about this before. I guess I've been living under a rock, but this stuff is perfect and amazing if you have white sheets. It doesn't matter how hard you try, if you have white sheets, you're gonna get something on them at some point. So this is a really great option to use when you wash them. Just kind of like brightens them and brings them back to their original white color. It's really like refreshing and I love it. It gets out any stain possible that you absolutely would have on them as well. So another great cleaning product to add to your routine if you have white sheets, or if you have just like plain white clothes that you really need them to just look a little bit brighter and refreshed and then get any stains out. This is like a miracle product and I don't know why I didn't know about it sooner. So definitely pick that up if you have all white bedding like me. Okay, and then lastly, I wanted to talk about this really cute set of these green glass cups that I got. I was just in the market for some new cups because I've been making a lot of fresh juice. I got a juicer off of Amazon. It's the Breville one. I cannot recommend it enough, but I needed some like smaller cups to put some of the different juices. I've been making like larger apple and ginger like shots, but like really big apple and ginger shots just to stay healthy like during this time. So I wanted a nice set of cute like smaller cups. These came up when I was looking for them and they came in a bunch of different colors, but I thought that the tinted green ones looked the best. They're super cute. They're very different from what I have, so I picked those up and they are really great quality. All right, so that's everything I wanted to share with you guys for today's Amazon home favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, the links to everything will be in the description box down below for you guys to check out. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.